So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's a new month. I'm sure you guys are happy, grateful to God for everything that been happening this year. It kept us alive to see the end of this year. So for our old subscribers, you guys are welcome back to the family. Thank you for the support. I don't know how to appreciate you guys enough for sharing our videos, for liking, for turning on post notification. I don't know how our channel would have been without you guys. So I'm really going to be using this opportunity to appreciate every one of you being the last month of the year. So it's also Vlogmas season, and I'll be using this opportunity to show you all how I decorated my salon. It's a really mini decoration. We don't want something too extravagant, but at least to bring out the lights of Christmas in the salon. So yeah. First of all, we went to the market. Obviously, we all go to the market. I'm so sorry. I forgot my new subscribers. For my new subscribers, if you are new to the family, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share your opinions in the comment sections, and also turn on your post notification buttons. So first, we went to the market. Obviously, everybody go to the market for Christmas. We went to the market. We got our colorful ribbons. We got our lights, and we got our pins. First, we attached our pins together. We stapled our pins together. Then we stapled our ribbons together, not our pins. I'm so sorry. Then we used our pins to attach our ribbons to the wall. Then in between, I'm sure you guys are going seeing a clear view of what we did. We entangled our light in between our ribbons, so as to bring out the beautiful effect of it, because I don't know what a Christmas is without the lights. Obviously, it's the light of the world's birthday. So that's on that. This method we use is actually the zigzag method. You decide if you want your zigzag to be really big or you want it smaller, but we chose to make it medium because we're trying to manage our resources and all of that. So
it looks like my cutting is freezing. Thank you very much.
So guys, we all know Vlogmas has to do with you dropping video for 25 days, till Jesus' birthday. So I pray God give us the strength to drop the video, because I really want to entertain you guys. And I'm sure you guys noticed that the voice changed in this video. It's Queen Aniki's baby. I made a tutorial video. I don't know, I'll be dropping the link below for you guys to go and click on it for those of you that haven't watched it before. So if you want me to do more tutorial videos, just drop the hairstyles you guys love to see, and you guys will love to see in the next video, in any video. And don't worry, you guys are going to constantly hear my voice in this channel. So bye guys, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Hit the like button,